Alrighty, so this one here, we've got the behind the neck press. And the reason why we want to press from behind the head is because we're going to increase the length through the anterior side of our shoulders, and we're going to increase the strength through the posterior side of our shoulders simultaneously. So we normally press from the front, but by putting on the back, we're going to get those two benefits. If you're feeling tight, what we want you to do is take your hand as wide as you need to, or if you're super mobile, we can bring them in where it feels comfortable. So starting with the bar on our back, we want to stay tight through the midline, and we're just going to simply strict press from behind the neck. We lock out the elbows at the top, and then we want to focus on pulling our armpits back into their socket so we can focus on developing the lower traps, which we'll show you in a second, and also making sure these upper traps stay switched off so we don't overactivate through there. On the way down, we're just really focusing on controlling the rep the whole way down if we can, because it's all about developing strength for a large range of motion for structural stability. So we'll spin around so you can see what's going on at the back. Big muscly Brady. So we'll press from the bottom, and you can see from here, this posterior cuff really has to work because it's trying to stabilize that shoulder. So when he pulled those armpits away from the ear, there's a big bit of daylight going through there, which means these ones are soft, and these ones down here are nice and active and hard. So you can see that that's working through there, meaning he's gonna have some really strong structural shoulder blades. His lats are active, and his elbows are pointing towards the roof, and elbows fully locked out. And as he brings the bar down, nice and slow, he's got really good control there, which means he's got really strong shoulders. So you can always tell someone who's quite athletic because they'll have really strong posterior delts, which means they're quite athletic and they've got strong shoulders. So if you don't have them, make sure you work on this one and build some structural stability.